Hello YouTube, I'm back, and what we're doing now is the FPV video and just a flight video of the Furibee F36 with all the modifications that I've done to date. So far we got the two-bladed prop modification, we got the micro all-in-one camera modification with the canopies, we have the cutout battery bay for the larger EA Sheen 260 milliamp batteries. And we did the transmitter mod by taking the antenna out of the transmitter and sticking it up, which made the range quite a bit better. Out of the box it said 30 meters, that's about 100 feet, and it was getting 300 feet out of the box. Now with the transmitter modification, I don't know if you remember in the previous video, we got 600 feet plus range with the antenna out. So that's way beyond what you're going to be able to see it anyway. We also got the sticks extended, and that's just a simple pinch them up and set them up higher. So that's what we've done to date. I don't remember if you remember what previous video I showed you another one I did. I actually made a roll bar out of an old piece of parts tree from an old RC car. I never did get a roll bar put on this one yet, but I'm eventually going to do that to help protect this camera a little bit better. One thing I did want to mention, when you got these little micro cameras like this on these canopies, you can still see your lights down in there, especially with this camera because of the way it's designed. You can look down in there and see your lights and tell what channel you're on, what frequency you're on, and what channel band you're on. So that works out pretty well with these canopies. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll do a quick flight just showing you how it performs, and then we'll do a FPV video. So I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Get a little quick flight here. And like I said, you can see your lights down in there to see your frequency selection with no problem. So let's get it up here. Give it a little punch. And it's still got quite a bit of punch, even with the camera weight on there. Let's do it again. And in low rate, I'm in low rate of course because my room is so small here, but it still flies around quite nice, quite responsive. And of course you can still do flips with it. Not quite as quick on the recovery for itself with that extra weight, but it still flips pretty good. Still flies nice. The battery life on this isn't too shabby either. I've gotten as much as 5 minutes out of the batteries. Just depends on the quality of the battery, how good your battery is. As it degrades, of course, you know you're going to get less flight time. Same thing with the motors on these. Brushed motors, as they degrade, of course, you're going to get a little less flight time as well. But like I said, I have had up to 5 minutes of flight on these with the larger battery and the camera and everything on there. So yeah, this is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get some FPV here instead of running out this battery.